Welcome back to Brain Boosters, the show where we dive into the wildest science stories on Earth.
And sometimes the bumpiest.
Oh no, what did you bring today?
Just a story about some big, bumpy toads that took over an entire country.
Took over a country? What, like an army of frogs with tiny helmets?
Close. We're talking about cane toads, one of the most famous invasive species on the planet.
Wait, so they're invaders? How did toads even end up in Australia?
Great question. Cane toads are not native to Australia. They actually came from South America. In the 1930s, farmers in Australia had a big problem. Beetles were eating their sugarcane crops.
And someone thought, hey, let's bring in toads to eat the beetles.
Exactly. Scientists released about 100 cane toads in northern Australia, hoping they'd eat the beetles and save the sugarcane.
Let me guess, it didn't go as planned.
You got it. The beetles lived high on the stalks of the plants, and cane toads can't climb. So instead of eating the beetles, the toads ate almost everything else.
Yikes! What makes them such a big problem?
For one thing, cane toads breed like crazy. A single female can lay up to 30,000 eggs at once. And they don't have many natural enemies in Australia because, get this, their skin contains a powerful poison.
Poison? Like, don't touch me or you'll regret it poison?
Exactly. When a predator bites a cane toad, that toxin can make them sick or even kill them. Animals like snakes, goannas, and even crocodiles have died trying to eat them.
That's awful. But what about in their original home? Do they cause the same kind of trouble there?
Not really. In their native South America, they live alongside animals that have evolved to handle their poison. Some snakes and other predators there can eat cane toads safely, which keeps their population under control.
So, in Australia, without those special predators, they can just keep multiplying.
Exactly. They have food, space, warm weather, and no real enemies. It's like the perfect toad paradise. And they're not just hurting wildlife either. People's pets, like dogs and cats, sometimes chase or bite the toads. The poison can make pets very sick or even kill them.
That's so sad. A dog just trying to play ends up in danger because of a toad.
Yeah, it's a big problem. Veterinarians in northern Australia treat lots of pets every year that got too close to cane toads.
How far have they spread now?
They started in Queensland, but now they've marched across huge parts of northern Australia, and they're still moving. Some scientists call it the cane toad frontier.
Like an unstoppable army of hoppers.
Pretty much. They move around 40 to 60 kilometers every year.
Can people stop them?
It's tough. Scientists have tried fences, traps, and even experiments using the toad's own poison to control them, but nothing has totally worked yet. The best thing people can do is learn about them and avoid moving them to new areas.
So, to sum it up, cane toads were brought to Australia to fight beetles, but instead they became the problem.
Right. They reproduce fast, poison predators, hurt pets, and upset the whole ecosystem.
Talk about a plan that hopped out of control.
Nice one. Thanks for joining us on Brain Boosters. Remember, every species has a place, but not every place is ready for every species.
Stay curious and keep your brains boosted.